Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So I just want to start on the weekly because I have been speaking about this, feels like for years, but I suppose it's really just through last year and this year. But we've been in this sideways chaos for quite some time, and this zone on the weekly is the weekly level of support. I mean, I can go back in time and you can see it's a very strong area of support that we are at the moment. So this is 106.331, and then just above it is 106.970. So big question here is this the start of something bigger to the downside, or are we just bottom of this it's a weird range, I suppose we can call it that. Just if I do that, bottom of range, or are we? Just put this other level in as well because that's also got some relevance here, which is 105.244. So are we bottom of range? Is this an exhaustion bar from the weekly perspective, or is this a start of something bigger? So we have rejected this 150 EMA on the weekly for so long now, basically a year and a bit. Is this now finally going to give way and drop? I think we do need to drop below this 105 area. You need to drop below it, come back and retest it before that comes into play. But you just need to keep these big weekly levels in your vision when you're looking for opportunities, because anything can happen here. So buyers can come in here. It's a strong area of support. But also if it breaks through that, it can trigger a bigger move to the downside. So keep them visible at all times. Now, for me at the moment, this is support 106.331. Look at the oscillators. I don't think you're going to see a move beyond this. I think you're looking for a pullback, and obviously there is a weekly level here, but you can power through weekly levels, find the lower time frame levels and then reject them, because it creates a pin bar on the weekly, or a tail rejection on the weekly. So that's going to fine tune that. 3 hour, there's no real change in anything. Downtrend has been fairly solid, but we are oversold at the moment, so I'd be looking for, I don't think I'd be looking for longs, but you're either looking for a rejection at 106.994 or alternatively 107.262, which may not happen. And in that case, I'd be looking on the weekly to see, sorry, not the weekly, but the 15-minute, to see if there's anything that I need to pay attention to here. So this would be 106.742. So those are the levels I'd be interested in shorting off. 107.262. I think this one is the most logical one. It's a nice big weekly level, which is 106.997, or 107 should we just say. So it's 107, and then I have a 15-minute level here at 106.742. Those are the levels that I'd be paying attention to. However, just looking at this on the 15-minute, there is a little possibility, I won't say a strong possibility, but a possibility that we do get below 106.331, come back and reject it. That would also be an opportunity for a short. And you are looking for, I don't think you have a strong area of supports. I just want to see if there's anything below price. You have to go quite far back in time before we can actually see anything. Okay, there's price there. So there is some structure in amongst this. Let's go there. Okay. So what you're looking for is a rejection of 106.742, preferably 107. Then you're looking to target 106.331 again. If you get through that, 106.158, and then 105.941. So those are the zones that you should be paying attention to and the levels you're looking for. Could be the start of something bigger, but it could also be an exhaustion move to a major area of support on the weekly, and I think it's on the monthly as well. Yeah, look at it there. You can see all the levels we've drawn in, and look at all the monthly structure that's here. So take it with a pinch of salt. It does look like there's a continuation to the downside, but this is bottom of range, and the yearly range. So the whole of last year we were in a range. So we're still in amongst that range at the moment. Until we break through it, there's no real trend on the monthly. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. Be very, very cautious. It's probably still short. So just be short off the pullback. Don't just jump in where we are now. Wait for the pullback. Wait for structure on the 15 minutes, and then look for inside bars, engulfing bars, and pin bars, and then you're looking to get in for a move further down. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.